Morning my dudes, just out on a warm-up walk at the minute before I head out on my long run Saturday morning. A nice day, although the ground's frozen. It's about 0 degrees, possibly -1, but the sun's out, so hopefully the trails won't be too treacherous. We'll see how we go. Using the heart rate alert on my watch just to tell me when to take a walking break. I'm in the range of 133 to 158 at the moment, gradually dropping that over time to try and get my heart rate a bit lower on these runs. But I'd be walking all the time at the moment if I reduced it too quickly. So let's have a walk break until it hits 133 and run again till we get to 158. And, nice to have a bit of a chat on one of these walking breaks. I'll see you in the next one. So I'm just approaching 0.9 of a kilometre. This is my second walking break. Not sure what that says about my fitness levels. I'm sure it's nothing good. But yeah, we hit 158 beats per minute. Ironically, as I was stood out of the way to let two people walk past. Not sure why that was, but here we are, walking for a little while. Probably be at the start of the trail by the time we get going again. So try and cross this road to get to it. Quite convenient to have a walking break on this section. It's kind of like a frozen river all the way up and down this hill. I was hoping the sun would get to it, but the trees are obviously covering a lot of it, so still in the dark and it's a bit slippy at the moment. I had to take it careful on this bit the other day. To walk to the top and then get running again. Another walking break. Thankfully this bit's seen some sun. Walking on the brown stuff, not the white. Always a bonus. Passing by the fishing pond here. I think that's still frozen. Hope you got a good view of that. Just reached 2 kilometres. That one was at a 7:46 minutes per kilometre pace, so not sure if I'm a walker or a runner at this point, but things tend to pick up as the run goes on. Counting this as a warm-up. Lovely day for it. Calves are a little bit tight and sore, but kind of used to that. I'll just take it easy. We like bouncing. It looks terrible on the screen, but I think the phone stabilises the picture once it's been taken by some kind of technological magic. Not quite sure how it does it. But, yeah, you might as well be riding a kangaroo the way I'm seeing things at the moment. And that's the heart rate alert. Walking time. Approaching the bit where the trail crosses the road. So this is my excuse for when the times come out pretty slow. It took me ages to cross this road, honest guff. Like 1 million cars, or thereabouts. Not joking, that road took ages to cross. Stood there for that long. I think Garmin thinks I've been asleep for 10 minutes. Well, I'll count towards my sleep figures for the night. Always good to win something. Oh, back on the trail again. Nice round here. Wow, that sun's bright. Shouldn't grumble. Getting a bit of vertical gain into the run, as usual. That's all there is around here. This trail I like to walk on, the Five Pits Trail. It's shaped a bit like a lowercase d, the bits that I like to go on. So we've got the main circular loop, it's maybe 7 kilometres, something like that, possibly up to 9 depending where you start. and then there's the kind of upstroke of the D. You can take that as far as you like. There's various roads that cross it that I use as markers to judge where to turn around depending how far I want to go. It's nice to progress by going further up there each time. See how we go today. Great time of day to be out, mid-morning. Very busy on the trails though. Of course everyone's in a good mood this morning because of the nice sunny weather. A lack of icy death traps on the trail. So plenty of people to say hello to. But plenty of people to squeeze past as well. Just approaching the first road crossing on the stick of the D, so to speak, and you know, deciding whether to turn around or make it to the next one. A little bit rude running straight past all those people I've just gone by straight away, but we'll see. Decided to cross the road. It was a bit slippy on this bit, but yeah, might as well extend the run a bit, make it worthwhile. Yeah, I've not quite reached the point where I'm comfortable just talking to my phone as I walk past people. Maybe I'll get there one day. There are plenty of birds in the trees. Yeah, so interrupt the video, stop talking every time I see someone, which is about every 100 metres. Catch you later. Got to the second road. I think that'll be enough for today. Means I turn around, go back down the stick of the D, so to speak. I'll take that the wrong way, and then do the remaining 3/4 of a loop back to the start. So still a fair way to go. I hit my 5th kilometre a short while ago. That was in over 8 minutes. So yeah, I'm blaming the weather, faulty heart rate monitor, and all the people on the trails. There we go, 3 excuses. Can't go wrong. And the trickiest bit about coming back down the trail you've already run on this morning, remembering who you've already said hello to. I'm not very good at remembering faces at the best of times, but when I've passed dozens of families and dog walkers, I've got no chance. I tend to change my greeting from morning to higher, and it kind of sounds like I've already met them before. So here we go. So nice today. Amazing what a difference a bit of sunshine can make. Everywhere looks so green and blue. Colours of the day. Been trying to improve my running form recently, following some tips from the Lost Art of Running by Shane Benzie. Tips that you'll see in other places as well. You know, it's not like he invented running form, but just things like posture, getting your chest up, head facing forwards, and yeah, trying to keep all the running action behind me rather than striding out in front. And yeah, hopefully that's helping things. But yeah, I think the cardio could do with a bit of improvement. But that's why I'm out here, trying to get fitter. Catch you later. Just approaching the next road crossing. This is on this circle of the trail, and yeah, just hit 7 kilometres. That one was well over 8 minutes, so been out for nearly an hour now. 7 kilometres per hour average. Yeah, well, it's faster than walking. I'll try and concentrate on the running for a few Ks and get back to you, see if I've made any progress. It's been mostly uphill on this section, so hopefully we're in for a bit of improvement. See you in a bit. This is where the trail passes the industrial park or estate. We've got both. It's an industrial park and an industrial estate. I don't know which is which. This is one of them. Kids' playground on the other side. And a bit of a trail sandwich. Managed to pick up the pace a little bit. Ignored my heart rate a little the last time, so we're going mainly downhill. Managed to get it under control without walking. Oh, this bit's uphill again. This is the worst hill on the whole trail. The steepest section is not particularly long, but I guarantee your heart rate goes up on this one. And if your hamstrings are going to get tight, this is where it happens. Almost like clockwork on some of my runs, but not too bad today. I think it's worse when I come down the other side of the valley first, but I took the longer, flatter route this time. Maybe I should figure out how to put some music over the sound of my breathing. It might be a preferable soundtrack to this bit. Whew. Getting towards 10k now, and got about 3.5 until I get home. This is the tail end of the industrial park or estate. Have a sit down on the bench, enjoy the views. There's a fishing pond down there. Steady uphill, and then once we reach the crest of this hill, it's mostly downhill, with a few exceptions on the roller coaster. That's everything's warmed up now. The hips seem to be moving. I feel more upright. The knees seem to be able to find the right degree of bend to keep things comfortable. Yup, heart rate's down, better start running. Do as the watch says. Catch you in a bit. There's a nice little adventure cycle path that runs around where the walking section is. Might have to bring the kids on this bit at some point. Maybe wait till the little one's got our stabilisers off. Training wheels. Not sure they'll make it over those humps. But you never know, we could always try it. Walking up the hill again. I'm always walking up the hill. I'm sure I could run it, but I don't really want my heart rate to be in the 160s. Heading towards 170 for big chunks of my easy long run. So run, walk, run it is. It's always the hills that get you, of course. I'm trying to learn to run them more efficiently so I can, you know, make it further up without my alert going off. And yeah, getting better slowly. It's not a race. Just keep going. You get to go further as well if you don't overdo it. Just love being out here on this trail. It's definitely my favourite. Road running's not really quite up there at the moment. That's us done there. 13 kilometres, average pace 7:35. Flying along. At least I've earned my breakfast. And a 148 heart rate. Could be worse. See you later. So I wore this vest mainly so I could put the tripod in the back and get some footage of me running. No way that was going to happen today. So many people out, no chance for a shy newbie YouTuber to put a tripod down and film themselves running past it, so I'll have to wait till another day. Maybe in the dark with floodlights. We'll see how we go. Well, at least I had a place to put my phone, which I was getting out every few minutes, as you've seen. So that's it for now. Another run next week. See you then. Thanks.